Welcome to TechMinds, your gateway to the world of heavy machinery innovations. Join us as we explore the latest in cutting-edge technology and the incredible machines that drive modern industry. Komeito's enormous bridge girder transport is a marvel of engineering designed to efficiently move large and heavy bridge girders from one location to another. This transport system consists of a specialized vehicle equipped with powerful engines and hydraulics, capable of carrying immense loads with precision and safety. The key feature of Komeito's bridge girder transport is its exceptional carrying capacity, which allows it to transport girders of various lengths and weights. This capability is essential for the construction of bridges, where large girders need to be transported from manufacturing facilities to the construction site. The bridge quad train is a specialized train designed for transporting large quantities of goods over long distances. It consists of 4 interconnected rail cars, each capable of carrying a significant load. One of the key features of the quad train is its modular design, which allows it to be easily customized to suit different types of cargo. The train can be configured with different types of rail cars, such as flatbed cars for carrying large machinery or tank cars for transporting liquids. The quad train is also known for its efficiency and cost-effectiveness. It is designed to operate on existing rail infrastructure, minimizing the need for new track construction. This makes it an environmentally friendly transportation option, as it reduces the carbon footprint associated with transporting goods over long distances. The woodcracker is a powerful forestry attachment designed for use with excavators or other forestry machinery. It is used for cutting and processing trees and branches in forestry operations. The key feature of the woodcracker is its ability to quickly and efficiently cut and process trees. It is equipped with a robust cutting head that can easily slice through trees of various sizes. The woodcracker can also be equipped with a variety of cutting blades to suit different types of trees and cutting requirements. In addition to cutting trees, the 50-lip Poverty is a nuclear-powered icebreaker and the largest icebreaker in the world. It is used for clearing ice and maintaining shipping lanes in the Arctic Ocean. One of the key features of the 50-lip Poverty is its nuclear power plant, which provides the vessel with a high level of power and endurance. This allows it to operate continuously in the harsh Arctic environment without the need for frequent refueling. In addition to its nuclear power plant, the 50-lip Poverty is also equipped with advanced ice-breaking capabilities. It is designed to break through thick ice with ease, allowing it to clear a path for other ships to follow. The D11 excavator is a large and powerful excavator designed for heavy-duty earth-moving and mining applications. It is known for its impressive digging and loading capabilities, making it ideal for large-scale excavation projects. One of the key features of the D11 excavator is its size and power. It is equipped with a large bucket and a powerful engine, allowing it to move large amounts of earth quickly and efficiently. This makes it suitable for mining operations where large volumes of material need to be moved. In addition to its size and power, the D11 excavator is also known for its advanced technology. It is equipped with a range of sensors and cameras that provide the operator with real-time information about the machine's performance, allowing for more precise and efficient operation. The P&H410X PC is a large electric mining shovel designed for heavy-duty mining operations. It is known for its impressive digging and loading capabilities, making it ideal for large-scale mining projects. One of the key features of the P&H410X PC is its size and power. It is equipped with a large bucket and a powerful electric motor, allowing it to move large amounts of material quickly and efficiently. This makes it suitable for mining operations where high productivity is essential. In addition to its size and power, the P&H410X PC is also known for its advanced technology. It is equipped with a range of sensors and cameras that provide the operator with real-time information about the machine's performance, allowing for more precise and efficient operation. The Clambunk skidder is a specialized forestry machine used for dragging felled trees out of the forest. It is equipped with a powerful winch and a set of Clambunk grapples that can grip and lift logs of various sizes. In addition to its ability to operate in rough terrain, the Clambunk skidder is also known for its efficiency. It can quickly and easily drag felled trees out of the forest, reducing the time and labor required for forestry operations. The Leaper LB36 is a high-performance drilling rig designed for a variety of drilling applications, including foundation drilling, piling, and geotechnical drilling. It is known for its versatility, efficiency, and reliability, making it a popular choice for construction and mining companies around the world. One of the key features of the Leaper LB36 is its powerful drilling capabilities. It is equipped with a robust drilling system that can penetrate hard rock and other challenging ground conditions with ease. This makes it ideal for drilling deep foundation piles and conducting geotechnical surveys. In addition to its powerful drilling capabilities, the Leaper LB36 is also known for its advanced technology. It is equipped with a range of sensors and monitoring systems that provide real-time data on drilling performance, allowing operators to optimize drilling operations for maximum efficiency and productivity. The Komatsu PC1-50 excavator is a large and powerful excavator designed for heavy-duty earth-moving and mining applications. It is known for its impressive digging and loading capabilities, making it ideal for large-scale excavation projects. One of the key features of the Komatsu PC1-50 excavator is its size and power. It is equipped with a large bucket and a powerful engine, allowing it to move large amounts of earth quickly and efficiently. This makes it suitable for mining operations where large volumes of material need to be moved. In addition to its size and power, the Komatsu PC1-50 excavator is also known for its advanced technology. It is equipped with a range of sensors and cameras that provide the operator with real-time information about the machine's performance, allowing for more precise and efficient operation. Overall, the Komatsu PC1-50 excavator is a versatile and powerful machine that is used in a wide range of earth-moving and mining applications. Its size, power, and advanced technology make it an essential tool for large-scale excavation projects.